Jay and Lauren. It is time to jumpstart the love. Which means, what does that mean? I'm going to explain. Here goes. It means that you want to take a look at your clock right now and do this every single day at the same time. We push out a positive story that is specifically designed to make you smile. Lauren, could you jumpstart the love?
Absolutely. Not only is it convenient when you DoorDash, but it could save a life. Such is the case is in this situation in Massachusetts, where a DoorDash delivery driver is being hailed a hero after jumping into action to help an unconscious customer. So Sophia shows up to deliver a pizza, and she finds the customer unconscious at the foot of the steps, bleeding.
Don't miss the smarts. The world is full of nice people. If you can't find one, then be one.
Hear one, worship now. We've got a new podcast created to help you with some of the tougher things you've gone through. Hey there, this is Laura Williams, and it's my honor and privilege to bring you the Encountering You podcast. You've heard her on Mandisa's Out of the Dark podcast. Now licensed professional counselor Laura Williams has a new show to help you through the tough issues you're facing. Like cancer, infertility, trauma, sexuality, Christian struggle, mental health, resentment, anger, and many other issues in counseling. Prepare to be challenged. Prayer is that this podcast will bring you hope if you're feeling lost. My prayer is that you will feel seen. If you feel like you haven't heard God's voice in a while, or maybe never have, this will be a place for you to hear Him speak personally to you for our time together. The new Encountering You with Laura Williams podcast is available now at accessmore.com, Access More app, or wherever you listen to podcasts. Access More.
The landing serves men, women, and children in Houston who have been exploited. They share the love of Christ by helping survivors find safety, empowerment, and freedom through the